Hello,
How are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you?
Good. What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Sahiba. I am from India.
Oh, wow. Very cool. What part
What's
of
your
India are
name?
you? My name's Carina.
Okay. Where are
That's
you
so
from?
cool. I'm from the United States.
Okay, great.
It's so nice meeting you. And
So,
yeah. Oh, go ahead.
uh, actually, you teach me some small sentences. Um, uh, we use every day. Like you tell me how we give introduction.
How to give an introduction? I'd
Yes,
say I'd
actually,
say hi, how are you? Like
yeah.
that? Yeah, I'd say hi, how are you? My name's
Hi.
Carina. What's your name? Um,
Okay.
and then that's pretty much it. I just say like, "Hi, how are you? My name's Carina."
Yeah. So, uh, you tell me some sentences. Uh, um, we use every day. Actually, I am practicing in English.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
What's like slang terms? Like what exactly? Just like everyday conversations?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Hi, how's
Uh,
it going?
yeah. Actually,
I don't know,
uh,
something like that.
write to me here and tell me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I were first to meet someone, I'd say, "Hi, how's it going?
Yeah.
How was your day?"
Okay.
Um, what plans do you have for the week?
Yeah.
Stuff like that, maybe. Um, um, I don't know. What do you do? Are you a student? Are you
Yeah.
working?
Yeah.
Are you a
I'm
student? Okay.
student.
Okay. Um, are you in high school or are you in college?
Secondary school. High school. Yeah.
High school. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Um, what what do you like to do for fun?
Sorry.
Like to do for fun. What do you like to do for fun?
Um, I like cooking, reading, free time.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. What do
Um,
you like to?
do you like to travel?
Yeah. Yes. I like.
Nice. Um, what what's your favorite season?
Yeah. Winter.
Winter, yeah, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Um, hmm. What's your favorite home cooked I'm gonna write it first actually. What's your favorite home cooked meal?
Yeah. Chicken.
Nice.
Biryani.
Nice. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
um, hmm. What's your favorite subject in school? Hold on. I'm gonna type it.
English and Urdu.
Oh, nice. That's cool. Okay.
Yeah.
Um, hmm. Do you prefer to eat at home or eat out?
Do you at home.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay. If you were given three wishes, what would you wish for?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. No worries.
Yeah.
No worries.
I cannot
Um,
understand in English.
Okay, no worries. Hmm. Hmm. Do you like to plan things, or do you like to plan things out, or be spontaneous? Do you know spontaneous?
Plan things. Hi, yeah, plan things.
Nice, me too. I also like to plan things.
Yeah.
What quality about yourself, hold on. What quality about yourself do you value most?
I don't know.
Okay, no worries. Hmm. Hmm. What did you do last weekend?
Yeah. I learn. I read some books.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very cool. What qualities do you value most in a friend?
1 second. I don't understand.
Oh,
Yeah, you.
do you know qualities? Like um, what if you had a friend, what do you value most about them? Do you value them being loyal? Do you know loyal?
Yeah, loyal.
Like nice friend, loyal, there for you, supportive, like these things. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, cool. Um, do you like to dance or sing?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. That's cool. What is your favorite food?
Food.
Food, yeah.
Yeah, it's biryani
Cool.
and
Okay.
chicken.
Nice.
Yes.
um, hmm.
And your favorite food?
I like pasta. I love pasta and like
Oh.
pizza. Yeah,
Okay.
I love that.
So,
um,
how old are you?
I am 23.
23. Okay.
Yeah. How about you? How old are you?
17.
Oh, my sisters. I have little sisters who are also 17.
Oh,
Yeah, so
nice.
cool. Are you looking at universities?
No, no.
No? Oh, okay. Okay, because my little sisters are looking at universities to go to.
Oh, they're
Yeah.
studying in 11th grade.
Oh, you're studying. Oh, okay. Interesting. Interesting.
Yeah,
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. My sisters are in 12th grade. Yeah.
12th. Okay.
That's cool though. Do you
I'm
like,
11.
that's cool. That's okay. Do you like what you're learning? Do you like your school?
Yeah,